Hi y'all, Jeff back here with Jeff's Cars, and welcome back to another video on the 280 SEL 4.5. So, well, Jose, he made it out, and so he actually was able to get the filter screen off from the bottom of the tank, and this is probably factory original. And while you can kind of see through it, it's pretty dirty and a lot of crud came out. But the funny thing is on this, we didn't have a tool. There's no tool for this, and went to our local Baumgars that we have here, and they sell all kinds of tools, and they didn't have anything. Went and checked with the neighbor next door, he didn't have anything. So ended up making it, and thank goodness got a welder, and so took a bolt. Let's see, this is a 15, I think it is, but took a bolt and two nuts, welded it together, and fits in there perfectly. And Jose was able to get the old filter screen out along with all the other sludge and all of that. So now he's already tested. We have flow at the coming out of the tank where it connects into the fuel pump. And so now the next test is we're going to try and start it, or at least prime it up. I was thinking I would end up going up under the hood and taking the hose off, but you know what, I think I'm going to let it be. We put about 10 gallons worth of gas in here, about 9, and I'm just going to let Jose try and see if we get some fire. So I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to move it up under the hood so that we can see if this is going to actually start, whatever. This is kind of an exciting moment because we've been waiting a little bit. So here we go. Let's see what happens. And by the way, I'm going to make sure I throw this filter screen away. So yeah, we're going to prime it a couple of times. Okay. Oh, wow! Whoa! Wow, folks, looky there. First time. This car's probably run in 10, 12, 14 years maybe. Oh, don't overdo it. some vacuum. I can hear some vacuum leaks. So
I heard that one.
So, good thing I got some vacuum hose. Let's change some vacuum hoses and let's just go from there. And this, folks, is probably a cheap fix right here that's going to allow things to, it's going to hopefully improve. So we're going to get off camera for this a little bit while he's chasing down some of the vacuum hoses. I'm going to clean up around here because I have a feeling the next time we start this, we're going to try and back it out of the garage, just at least so we can see if it moves under its own power. So more to come. I'm going to pause the video and we'll just kind of hold off there.